Hello guys, today let us discuss about maxillary nerve, a branch of trigeminal nerve. It passes to the foramen ovale. Sorry guys, I didn't mention here. Some of it process passes to the foramen spinosum. And it supplies nervous spinosum. The mixed nerve supplies both consist of two divisions, anterior division and posterior division. First let's just discuss about posterior division. It supplies auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve and inferior alveolar nerve. Auriculotemporal nerve supplies parotid gland. Lingual nerve is sensory and inferior alveolar nerve is also sensory. Lingual nerve passes through the submandibular ganglion and it supplies anterior 2/3 of the tongue. Inferior alveolar nerve supplies underbelly of digastric nerve to mylohyoid muscle and ramus of the mandible. Posterior division let us discuss. Anterior division let us discuss in the next video. Any doubts please mention in the comment section. Thank you.